it's Mike again. This has been happening a lot lately. It's not very straight. So I'm going to try and fix it today. I've noticed since I've been doing skate timber that it's just getting worse and worse. And I think it's because of this. On my trucks, there's this little gap there. I don't know if you can see that, but there used to be like a protective sort of thing that stopped it from moving around. I had a look on the internet, and apparently that's called a pivot cup, and I need to replace it. So I've got an old deck here. Definitely has one in there and one on the other end as well. So today I'm going to take those out and replace them on my deck and see if we can fix it up. So here we go. So that bushing there appears to have just sort of expanded since I let it go, released it, sorry, and I can't put this back on there, which sucks, but whatever. It's not like I was going to use it again. Now I'm fearful that'll happen with my deck, but I don't think so. I'm just going to have to give it a go. I'm kind of more worried that the bushings will just fall apart because they're so old. If that's the case, skate timber is in all sorts of trouble. It's all worn there. Got to remember, I bought this deck in '97, so it's getting on a bit. Okay, out she goes. Just put it back in there. So that's gone in well. Now I'm just winging this. I'm hoping this all fits in, goes back together. Back in the day, I actually put the grip tape on after the hardware, so you can see that. I don't know if you can see that, but it's actually spinning below the grip tape. Oh, you can't see it, but yeah. Like a glove. Just want to make them nice and tight because I feel it's better for me as a beginner skateboarder. Just to be nice and stable. Alright, let's see how we go. Well, it feels really good, actually. Let's see how straight it goes. Better than before, right? So I'll take that. Whoa. Yeah, so nice and tight, rolls nice and straight. Yeah, really good. Much better. I think that, yeah, there's a little bit more life in this old girl. And yeah, keep skating. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give us a thumbs up if you could. If you liked it, of course. And Instagram and Facebook. See you next time, guys.